Hey everyone! Today is a special day. After much waiting and anticipation, I have received what I believe is the forge for melting silver and gold. You're going to get to see it as I see it in this unboxing video. Here we go. Alright, here's where it is. Got it from Amazon. Supposed to only weigh 10 pounds. But it should melt 100 ounces of silver or gold or copper, even glass at a time. Which is great because most bars are 100 ounces or less. So this is called the Tabletop Furnace Company, building better kilts and, I can't pronounce it, K-I-L-N-S, and furnaces. I guess that shows you how much I know. But, okay, so this package contains one quick melt pro kiln, one pair of crucible tongs, which we'll see hopefully there as well, one graphic crucible. Alright, I got a layer of bubble tape here. I'm glad it's a very hefty, tight bubble tape. It's very, the big bubbles, if you will. So, let's make sure all those pieces are here. I've been wanting to buy this since last year, and I decided to invest during this time over my vacation, not go anywhere, but stay right here in Texas while getting this crucible. So it looks like I'm missing the tongs. Looks like I'm missing tongs. Oh, it was hot. Alright, so this opens up here. And it looks like I'm missing the crucible. So, you've seen the video now. I am missing the crucible and I'm missing the tongs. So I'm going to have to let them know that. Or maybe it comes in a different package. But this is evidence and proof that it didn't come. And it says that it does come with those pieces. So I will have to write this company or call them. It says if you have any questions or concerns prior to operating your tabletop furnace, please contact us at 855-298-7627. That's 855-298-7627. I'm going to do that tomorrow because I don't want to get it started without having the tongs and 100-ounce crucible, which I am liable to report not having. It says, stop, warning, do not operate unit before reading and fully understanding all included instructions. It is detrimental to the functionality of your furnace to neglect firing your unit per the incremental heating guidelines. Failure to follow these guidelines will result in element failure. All right, so that's all I got for now. I'll give you a report tomorrow, see what they say about the crucible and the tongs. Thanks.